Welcome to Hometree, home of the stress-free boiler installation. How does the Hometree Video Survey work? Once you have selected your boiler and installation date, Hometree will complete a video survey before your installation date in the comfort of your own home. Our heating experts will call you and follow up by sending a link to download a smartphone app before the video survey takes place. Hometree video surveys take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete. This is what will happen during your video survey on your smartphone. You will speak with a gas-safe engineer on a video call through a special app on your smartphone. The engineer will take you through the various aspects in your home that they need to see, such as your current boiler and your flue. The purpose of the video survey is to ensure that the boiler you have selected with Hometree is the perfect fit for your home, and to prepare the engineer installing your boiler in advance of the installation date that you have selected. It is also a great opportunity for you to ask any questions you might have about the boiler and the installation. These are some of the things our Hometree engineers will ask you on the video survey call. Our engineer will want to see a close-up shot of your boiler, looking at the make and model if possible, and then we'll need to see the boiler from a zoomed-out perspective. If it's not clear to see certain elements, the smartphone app allows the engineer to turn the light of your smartphone on. We will need to see the pipework above or below the boiler and the boiler electric switch, along with your room thermostat and programmer. Do you have a hot water cylinder? We'd like to see this and the pipework around it. It would be great to see your gas meter and any surrounding pipework. The flue is like the exhaust pipe of your boiler. We'll need to see the flue from outside as it protrudes out of the building. If the flue is above the ground floor, we'll need to see how high up it is. This is an example of what will be covered in your Hometree video survey. There may be less or more questions for you based on the type of boiler you currently have in your home. We also have a team of heating experts who can look at your old boiler through a video call before you select your installation date. Just give them a call. We look forward to carrying out your video survey soon. To find the perfect boiler for your home at a great price, installed at a time that suits you, visit hometree.co.uk.